Hey everyone, how's it going? We're getting things set up here. Getting a few things set up. Here we go. Okay, I think we're good. Booting up all this. We're booting all the sequences. Let's make sure we're looking good here. Okay. All right, looking good. Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Monday. We're going to be drawing some Pytorch. We're going to be drawing some beautiful Pytorch color images today. That's the plan for today. Let me see if I get everything set up correctly here. I want to make sure that we got it all looking good. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, how's it going, Real Green Blob? Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We'll be, I'm getting everything set up here. Let me see if is it all look correct? Yeah, they looks good. Looks good. Okay, we're good. We're good there. I have to pull some things this way. Just getting everything all aligned on my screen here real quick. Getting everything looking good, you guys. That's the plan here. Then we'll get into it. We'll get into, here we go. Got our terminal window up here. Okay. Real Green Blob. So double the output to 3. How did you know? Well, yeah, it's like we're tripling the output. How did you know? That's basically what we're going to do. You're Real Green Blob. Are you an AI engineer? Do you know what? Wait, how did you know? Tell me about that. I mean, that's the whole stream, right? That's the whole thing that we're going to do. Hopefully we can do it by the end of stream. I think we'll be able to get it. How did you know? Yeah, basically that's exactly what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. I was just really surprised. RGB equals 3. Yep, you got it. Yeah, that's it. Red, green, blue. You know what you're talking about. Hey, how's it going, Vineeth? Good to see you. Happy Monday. We're going to be drawing had the AI draw in color. And Real Green Blob already figured it out. Yeah, we're just taking the color value and originally we had it, right, as one color, so grayscale. And then we're going to add 3 channels, right? That's what we're going to do. Red, green, blue. There you go. That's the idea. That was great. You already solved what we're going to do like that stream. That makes me really happy. That's great to see. All right, let me see here. All right, so I want to make sure everything looks in the right spot. I want to make sure all my windows are in the right spot here. All right, let's see here. Testing this. Okay, looking good. I think we're okay. Hey, looking good here. Let's double check. All right, I need to. What I could maybe do is maybe pull that over here. Maybe no, we can't do that. Nope, you can't do that because that's the part of the screen that you guys can see. I'm just getting my windows all laid out here. How's it going, Kunal? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. We're going to be doing some AI here. All right, so let's see. Let's get this going. So I'm going to CP image. Hold on. Bizwa. Hey, was it Bizwa? What? Oh, Jay. Okay, you're saying a whole bunch of things. I don't know what you're saying, but you're saying Jay Love from Odessa. Did you say Odisha? Odisha, is that right? Oh, hey, TB Inc. How's it going, TB Inc? Good to see you. You helped us out last stream. Remember? We're gonna make that into color now. So we had a grayscale before, and now we're gonna turn it into color. So we're gonna say CP image, and we're gonna say color.python. There we go. And we're going to open it up as color. There we go. So now we're going to modify this and we're going to make it good. I know. Hello. Good to see you. Happy to have you in here. We're going to take basically what we did last week, what you did last week. I updated some of my code. I can't believe how close we were to getting it all good to go. We ran out of time. Change the output to 3 values. I know, TV Inc. That's exactly it. That's exactly what we're going to do. I know. It sounds. We'll play around with it a little bit more. We'll play around with it. There'll be plenty of stuff to go. Hey, Kamala, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Thank you, Kamala, for joining. Happy to have you here. We're gonna take our AI that we did last week, and it was grayscale last week, and we're gonna turn it into color this week. We're gonna turn it into color. I'm actually kind of excited. I don't know if I'm pretty sure. So we remember. All right. So open. Here we want to say open. What was it called again? It was Pytorch, right? So we had a Pytorch logo, so open Pytorch. So this is the logo here that we're going to be drawing. We're going to be drawing this logo here. Let me zoom in on that so you can see a little bit better. So this is the logo that we're going to draw. And then I also want to play around with some of the other optimizers. There's Autograd, RMS Prop, Atom W, and then Stochastic Gradient Descent, which is another one. Hey, Blimey, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're making the AI draw in color today. So We're going to play around with that. We're also going to play around a little bit with some of the hyperparameters and see if we can make any adjustments there. So we've got enough content for the stream today. I think we're doing pretty good. It's so funny because sometimes like we don't have enough time to cover the stuff in the stream. So I need to make sure that we focus and we have keep the goal for the stream simple, right? Got to keep it simple. Got to keep things clean and easy. All right, so this is the image that we're going to draw. We're going to have the AI draw that. Hey, Gustavo, you sent 100 for 2 joules. Thank you for doing that. I want 100 for 2 joules. All right. I don't know what that means, but thank you so much, Gustavo. Thank you. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Happy Monday. Well, welcome on in. We're going to be drawing we're going to have the AI draw some color. All right, so here's the image that we wanted to draw. It would be so nice if we can get the image, the AI to draw an image that looks like this, like pretty close. Not completely 100%, but I'd be fine if it's close enough. If it's close enough. You are welcome. Excellent. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate the 100 for 2 joules. That's fantastic. I love it. I love to see that stuff. It's great feedback. Good feedback. Okay. So let's jump in over here. All right. So that's the image that we want to do. Okay. So before we get started, let's open up. Let's do Python color. Let's see where we're at. All right. So check this out. Here we go. So here is where we left off last week. All right. So check this out. So here's the AI learning. Isn't that neat? Isn't it look so nifty? I think it looks really nifty. I think this looks really neat. So see, the AI is trying to draw. I can't believe. So TB Inc., you were here last week. You actually gave us the full working demo. It's just so surprising how close we were to having it already good to go. There was just a few lines that I needed to change, plus having the matplotlib draw a bind. What do you call it? Just the pixels directly, as opposed to plotting every point individually. There's an image draw function feature, which is new. I didn't know about that. So there we go. We're happy to see it. So isn't this neat? This is the AI learning. So it's pretty close, though we can go even further. I know just adjust the code. Yep, there you go. That's it. That's all we had to do. We were so close. Isn't it neat? So this is pretty close to the original. All right, so you got this is the original. Let me kind of zoom that out so you can see here. So you've got the AI version here, and then you've got the original right here. So pretty close. I think we can make it a little bit better though. So let's see if we can adjust some of the hyperparameters really quick. I want to see if we can make it look nifty. If we can make it look niftier. If we can get it closer looking to it. How do you use those captions? Oh, Dax, how's it going, Dax? Good to see you, Dax. The captions that you see, they're software that I wrote 7 years ago. Hey, Torva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. We're gonna draw some. We're gonna have the AI draw some color. The captions that you see here, they're software that I wrote 7 years ago. It's in our Discord channel. If you want it, they're completely free. It's open source, so you can have them all you want. Open source and completely free, ready for you to go. They use my technology. Even, but it's completely free for you guys. So you can add extra linear layers to double the hidden parameters to get it nicer. Yep, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. All right, TP Inc., let's do it. We'll double it up. Are you guys ready? We'll double it. Here we go. Boom, doubled. Oh wait, almost. Here we go. Extra. There we go. So we added more parameters by adding more layers, and then boom, there we go. All right, so here we go. Let's zoom in on that. So it should look nicer now. All right, TB Inc. There you go. It should look nicer. I think it will. I think it'll look really nice. Torva, it's good to have you in here. Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. I did. I had a really good weekend. I played video games. I played Silk Song, that new Hollow Knight game. It's really good. We're nowhere near finished. Nowhere near done yet. My family was over here. Sam was here. We were playing it all weekend. It was great. It was like the best weekend ever. It was my favorite weekend ever, and I didn't want it to be over. I'm like, oh no, it's over already? Can't we just keep doing this for the rest of our lives? Isn't that something that would be great? I just want to play video games for the rest. What is it approximating? Oh, the Feared 324. It is approximating this. We're approximating this. We're basically drawing the Pytorch logo. That's all we're doing. We're just having it draw the Pytorch logo. As you can see, it gets pretty good. It's pretty good, isn't it? I think it does pretty nice, right? It's pretty nice. And you can see, so each step, each of the batches, it gets, you can see it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. I'm actually kind of curious to see if we can make it look neater. So we're using Atom W here, right? I want to see what it looks like with SGD really quick. So SGD, let's see what, so stochastic gradient descent, I don't know, the stochastic gradient descent optimizer. Well, that's beautiful gradient. That's an absolutely beautiful gradient, but it doesn't at all look like the picture, does it? That scene, it doesn't even look close to the picture. Yeah, all right, so that's just a box, right? There's nothing there, isn't it weird? Where are the captions in your Discord? Oh, Dax, okay, so in the Discord, they should be showing up here. Let me go ahead and close this real quick. So that didn't work out very, so the Discord here. All right, so go into the free resources. Under free resources, look for, it's going to be around here somewhere. And it's in one of these. It's in one of these here. I think if we search for it, maybe we could search for subtitles. Maybe we can see here. Subtitles. Are they around here? I'll just paste it in again. Oh, here they are right here. Here we go. Just do a search in our Discord for subtitles. And then you click on it and you're good to go. And you click and you're good to go, you guys. There you go. It's trying. I know it was trying. It was trying to learn. I know it was trying. So we obviously SGD is not a good app optimizer for this case. What about our RMS prop? Let's try that one. Let's try RMS prop really quick. I want to see what that looks like. We're going to try this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, you know what? That does look a little smoother. It looks different. It looks a little different. Oh, wow, look at that. It's learning differently. I think that's pretty neat. Oh, hey, how's it going, Raj Editing? Raj Editing, how's it going? Good to see you. Hey, Ashford, welcome on in. Happy Monday. Good to see you. We're learning, we're having the AI learn some to draw, but we're going to have it draw some color. This looks very interesting. Its learning process is absolutely different than previously. Isn't this interesting? I think it's pretty interesting. I think it's weird. It's different looking. This looks, well, I mean, I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see here. I think it's pretty neat. It's looking pretty good, though. So here's the original. Let's pop up the original real quick so you can see here. Here's the original, and then here's the one where the AI is learning. It learns pretty well. Okay. We got to see how it's got like this line right here, this perfect like line. I don't know if you can see right here. This line worked. Wow. That was the best of all of them, wasn't it? I think 6-7. How's it going, Ollie? Good to have you in here. Gam. I'm just going to call you Gam. How's it going, Gam? Good to see you. George. Hey, George, this is trippy, isn't it? This is what the AI looks like when it's learning. Isn't it neat? I think it's pretty neat. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm the first place to join. I haven't even chat. Ollie, thank you for chatting. Good to have it in here. We're gonna have AI draw some colors. So right now you can see it's in grayscale, right? So it's not colored, but we're gonna try to see if we can train the AI to do some color. Someone earlier was like, "Hey, just three channels." Yep, Real Green Blob was all we're taking it from one output to three outputs. I think we can do it. Hey, Almond, Ali. Hey, Ali, how's it going? Ali Mora, good to see you. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Which one is this? Well, we're going to have the AI learn how to draw, which obviously, this was the RMS prop. So let's see here. This was the optimizer was RMS prop, which did really well, like very well. Like I think it looks the most like the original RMS prop. Let's see what AutoGrad looks like. So AutoGrad is an optimizer that has a dedicated learning rate per parameter. So each parameter in your model, so you see all of our parameters up here. It will learn, it has a dedicated learning rate per each parameter, which is a lot, right? So it basically doubles your model size, from my understanding, right? It doubles the model size, probably does something else that's maybe a little bit more, efficient in a way. But we'll see. Subjective AI. Hey, interesting topic. Wanted to see Pytorch content for a while. Hey, subjective AI. There you go. You got it. We're doing it now. We're doing it. We're making it happen. All right. What does AutoGrad look like? I want to see what AutoGrad looks like. Let's see. Let's pop this open. All right. Here we go. AutoGrad. Okay. Here's AutoGrad. AutoGrad's looking interesting. It's looking interesting. I don't know what to make of this right now. I don't know what to make of it. It's just a blob. At this point. It's kind of converging though, isn't it? Doesn't it look like it's converging a smidgen? It's just a smidgen converging. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if I can pull this in. Let me get this window resizing. Let's see if I can. Yes, there we go. Okay, got it. Okay, perfect. Okay. So here's the original, and here's AutoGrad. It does seem a little bit slower, but is it going to work? I don't even know if it's going to work. It doesn't. it seems to be kind of getting a generalized vision of it, but it's not perfect. It's not definitely not perfect. Can you explain from top, please? Yes. Okay. Absolutely. Hey, Tabby. Hey, Tabby Flicks. How's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. So we're training an AI to draw a picture. The idea is we've got here some code. Where is it? Where's that? Here it is. So that was it. So AutoGrad, surprisingly, I thought AutoGrad was going to perform the best. It definitely didn't. Look at that. It did not perform the best. And maybe in a way it did, though, because it's more generalized, which is what you want your AI to do. You want your AI to be repurposable for things that it hasn't ever seen before. You want it to be repurposable. It's smurging. Yeah, it is smurging. You got it, brother. You got it, brother. It's smurging. Yeah, it's smurging. I'll walk you through it really quick. Here we go. So Mael, how's it? I started streaming today, but quit since was no viewer. That's where you got to start. You got to start where you just got to start somewhere. You just got to keep going. Don't give up. Dr. Fu, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Don't give up, Soyamal. Don't give up. Just keep trying. Keep going. It's a long game. It's a long game, you guys. You got to keep going. You can't give up. You cannot give up. Just got to keep going. Got to keep going, you guys. So, hey, Steven, how did you do this? Do you make it from scratch? Yeah, we did. Respublic, we did. We made it from scratch. Is this reverse image generation based? Yeah, it is. It's reverse image generation. You can absolutely think of it like that. So we're going to try to see if we can get it to look in color today, too. We're going to make it in color. So that was the plan. All right, let's go through it top to bottom. So we're using Pytorch. We don't need math anymore. We're using NumPy to help us with some of the graphics to parse out some of the data. Matplotlib to make it so you can see the chart, so you can see what it looks like. It's going to draw the pixels. Torch Vision to load the image directly and then manipulate the reading of the pixels to get it in the right format. And then our data loader, which is going to be used for batching the data. We don't need that anymore. I don't need this. I'm going to clean that out. Okay, and then this is just to get the current accelerator on my machine, which is MPS, because I'm running on a Mac, you guys. I'm running on a Mac. Here we go, running on a Mac. And then we load the image. We load the image with, I'm pretty sure we don't need to say CPU here. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. That I can get rid of that. Yes, we can. We can get rid of it. Okay. And then I'm going to close that now. Let's close that up. All right. It generates these subsections like pictures where the image is made of combinations of several parts. It is. It's really neat, isn't it? It's neat how it learns. You started streaming today, but quit since no one was watching. So hey, it's all good. It's all good. You got to keep going. Don't give up. Keep on. That's all. That's what are you coding? Hey, John, how's it going? Python 3.14 E to E. We're coding an AI, so Python dash version. That can draw color images. Here you go. 3.14. 3.14 Python. You got it, E2E. You know we're on the latest version of Python, you guys. The latest version of Python. Absolutely. You got it. We're on the latest. All right, so jumping back over here. Now, this is loading our image. Then we're going to get the XY positions, right? So wait. So Y is going to be the output, which is going to be the pixels, the actual pixels. So I should highlight this. This will be pixels of the image. All right. So this is the pixels of the image. Right now it's grayscale, so it's one value. We need to change that. X is the XY coordinate. Yep, coordinates of the image. And then the rest of all this other stuff is just there to make sure that we can get. Oh, how's it? Wait, 1 second. Someone, hey, Isan, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. We're going to be this channel. You joined the right channel. We've got a lot of AI. We're going to talk a lot of AI. How many days of streaming did it take you to reach 10 viewers? And did you stream when no one was watching? Yes, I did. We streamed when no one was watching. You got it. You got to start somewhere. How many days? I can't say per se. Maybe a few months. Was it a few months? Maybe I think it was a few months, and then you get used to it, and you get better at talking over time. And there's a lot of things to pay attention to. There you go. Don't give up. Keep going. It's a long game. Are you using VS Code for coding the actual Python console? This is Vim. You guys. So Vim. Let's see here. Here we go. Vim. There you go. So this is Vim, which is 91754. Vim, the text editor. It's Vim. It's just in your terminal window. It's in your terminal window, John. Hey, how's it going, Isan? Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Good to have you in here. All right, so let's jump back over here. Now, here is where we get the color. So this is where the grayscale occurs. So we've got our input data, which is the pixel data. Now, Real Green Blob was at the very beginning of the stream. Is like, hey, and so is in TB Ink too. TB Ink was here as well. You got to convert it into instead of just one color, which is grayscale, we got to convert it to use all the channels of the image. So this is where we have to do some of the work. We have to do some of the work here. Before we jump back, so here, let's go back to Atom W real quick. I want to see what Atom W looks like, and then we'll start doing color. We'll start doing the color. All right. Here we go. Let's see what this looks like. All right, so this is the AI learning again. Here we go. The AI is learning using Atom W Optimizer. We're using the time to sign out. Okay, cool. Good to have you here. Enjoy your Monday. Have a good Monday. Use. If I say your name correct, UC. How's it going, UC? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Just burned out on SQL from a 10-day grind. You just inspired me to go back and work on our CNN project. Nice. Was it like a recurrent convolutional neural network? Is that what that is? You got a recurrent convolutional neural network? NROC or INORC. Cool. I don't know if I say your name right, but there you go. That sounds like that sounds like an exciting project that you've got there. That sounds like an exciting project. Very nice. Exciting project, you guys. So this one did good too. Look at this one. This one actually learned very well. This one looked very well. I like it. So you compare it. So comparatively, so it also got a really nice edge here. The circle isn't so circly in the middle. The dot right there isn't very dot-like, but it did have a pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth here on the circle. It's pretty smooth on the circle there. So here we go. Let's jump in. Let me see here. Double checking all the things. Have you guys done any other fun, exciting projects? What exciting projects are you guys working on? All right. So Atom W. Oh, I just created an AGI yesterday. You did? Wait, my laptop though? No. We need to bring your laptop back. That's the human for humanity. You got to bring it back. You see? You got to bring it back. We need it. We need that back. All right. So actually, here we go. The best one was RMS prop, right? For our use case here, RMS prop was the best. Let's double check. Let's watch it again. Here we go. Let's train it. Do you guys, which one do you think was better? RMS prop or Atom W? Between the two, which one do you think was better? I think RMS prop was the best. We're gonna find out. We're gonna let it train here for a smidgen. Just bought Claude Code, $20 subscription today. Hey, nice. I get limit reached before 4 hours. It's very frustrating. Oh no, you already ran into a limit. You ran into a limit. That's terrible. That's not good. You ran into a limit. That's terrible. I don't. We use AWS Bedrock, so it might be better to the approach that I recommend using maybe is using on a per API basis, but it really depends because what we do, I love it. I run into limits a lot. You do? You love Claude Code Breakout? Nice. He's using Vim. You got it, TB Ink, but you're using Vim here. We are using Vim. Okay, well, that didn't end on the best batch there. So, like a little bit of a problem. A smidgen of a problem. So, you know what? I think Atom W is probably our go-to here, you guys. It's probably the go-to. What is the difference between those different optimizers? They're just how they optimize a slightly different optimization on the gradient, different learning rate adjustments. They update the adjustments. The learning rate is slightly different. A slightly different learning rate adjustment, you guys. Slightly different. I'm going to take a peek here at a few things on the side of my screen while I take a look here. I'm just going to make sure everything looks good. I want to make sure we're all looking good. I think we are. I think we're looking good. Just validating. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. We're going to do some more AI. All right, looking good there. Let me see here. I'm going to double check on this one as well. Excellent. Perfect. That's what I like to see. All right. I don't even code, but running it on Pytorch is having a blast. Nice. I used to have 100 million tokens this weekend, but you ran out. That's a lot of tokens. 100 million tokens is a lot. That's a lot of tokens, you guys. So yeah, the difference between the different optimizers is just how they adjust the learning parameters, or the learning rate as it's training. So like AutoGrad. We gotta. Who's that? Let's do it. Let's do. There you go. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscription. We're gonna be doing some AI. We're gonna make the AI draw in color. Right now you see it's in grayscale. We're gonna have it draw. We're gonna have it draw in full color. I'm really excited about that. Really excited. You still use ChatGPT to diagnose your llama models? That's a good steel toe flip flops. That's a good one. I like that. My coding teacher failed me on my coding project. No, I was so proud of myself, and it was like only on 1,000 lines of code. You got failure. That's terrible. That's not good. Oh no, that's terrible. Torva, hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Or are you waving to Eddie here? Eddie, hello, nice to see you guys. Hey, Eddie, welcome on in. I see. Okay, gotcha. Shorts and horizontal working. Yeah, we got them both working over the weekend. We got the vertical and the horizontal. They're both working now. So let's see here. Hi, looking to learn topics. Can you recommend some projects you can do for free? Let's do. Yeah, absolutely. Let's do. I am proficient with large language models and retrieval augmented generation. I want to go more in depth and techniques, technicalities. What walkthrough should I use? Oh, my favorite one. Eddie Legendary, hello, and bye, Torva. Okay, cool. Yeah. Torva might just be waving, or is Torva saying goodbye? He might just be saying hi. Torva might just be saying goodbye. Great work. Thank you, Satoshi. Thank you, Satoshi. I'm really excited. We're going to turn it into color here. So I think the best one was Adam W for our optimizers. Let's jump back to Adam W and look at that real quick. We'll look at that real quick. All right, here's Adam W again. Let's see if it works better for our use case. It seems to converge the best, in my opinion. I think I like it the best. By Eddie? Is it, okay, oh, right, okay. It seems like you have another stream running in horizontal form. Yes, I do, but it's lag. Yeah, it's behind. It will be, so if you're on the horizontal stream, it's going to give you the most on your mobile device. You're going to have the most up to date. It'll be nearly real time. It's nearly real time. The horizontal one will be just a smidgen behind. I had some sports almanac for the NFL and C++. That's pretty good. Austin, the GOAT. Hey, Austin, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. This recognition. I have no idea what this is. Yes, we're doing AI. We're having the AI learn to draw a picture. Isn't that neat? So the AI is learning to draw this picture over here. It's a pretty challenging picture to draw. So, okay, so this is my favorite. We're going to use Adam W going forward. So we ran through to check to see what all the different versions of the optimizers are available. AutoGrad did not do as good as I wanted it to do. It created a really good generalization, which is ideal for AI. In our case, we're just trying to draw a picture. So in this case, hey, we're all good to go. Sorry for your English. Hey, no worries. We're good to go. I don't know it. It was sent sealed that way. I was just going to say hi, maybe coming back later. Sounds good, Eddie Legendary. Sounds good. Yeah, you were about to say what your favorite walkthrough was. Yes, thank you. Let's do. Thank you for reminding me. I get distracted. It's easy. Super neat. Steel toe. I get distracted pretty easily. Okay. So on our Discord, actually, you know what? Even before that, just go here. So you said you're already good with LLM. Are you familiar with AI? Are you familiar with like the Keras? I would recommend this is a good introductory tutorial. My favorite because it's easy. It's super easy. Simple and clean. How does it work in a nutshell? Only do full stack. Oh, I like almond milk. We use Pytorch. So we use Pytorch here. Torch Vision, which loads the image. And then we start training the AI. Here's our model. And then we capture the data from the image. And then we say, hey, try to draw this picture. The AI, it tries to draw it. It gets it wrong. It doesn't know what it tried to draw. And then we say, okay, you got it wrong here, 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 here. And we say all the points it got it wrong. And then we have it draw the image again. And then we say, oh, it's better, but you still got it wrong. And we do that in a loop for a long time, right? So we do that in a loop for a really long time. So let's watch it again. So here we go. I'll pull this up. So see how it gets it wrong. It gets it a little bit righter every single time, every cycle. It gets it better and better every cycle, you guys. Hey, Mohammed. Mohammed Reza. Welcome on in. Thank you for your subscription. Good to have you here. We're going to train an AI to draw a color today. We're going to train the AI to draw a color. Do you get paid from streaming? Yes. Are you doing it just for passion? Most for passion. We're doing it for passion. We're doing it for passion. Well, you can loop the implementation. You got it. You got it. I like almond milk. You got it. Do you offer one-on-one coaching to help develop real estate AI models? That would be so much fun. TikTok fast finds. That would be so much fun. We should do that. Cold calling and follow-up. That would be a really good one. That's a really good one. That's like a real world example for real AI. Some like real legitimate business use cases, you guys. Some real legitimate business use cases. I love it. I love it. I like it. Okay, so this did a pretty good job. It did a pretty good job. I like it. It's clean. It got a little weird on the circle. It didn't give a full circle here in the middle. It's fine. It still looks good. It's nice and smooth. It's good. We're looking good. So I am well with transformer architecture, but I have realized that there are so many activation functions, similarity scores, now orchestration, and guardrails. I'm now stuck on this type of stuff. See, now you might, in terms of AI, it sounds like you're there. It sounds like you've got enough of the foundation to like move forward on the next step, right? To move forward with the next step, and you've probably already written your own AI from scratch, right? You look like David Dastmalchian. Wait, who's that? Who's David Dastmalchian? I don't know who that is. But I could be a compliment. I don't know, but it sounds like it. Thank you. I appreciate it. You're trying to work with a number of projects and need a number of people to fill out a survey, and they've gotten a few, but not enough data. It sounds like you could use more data. You could go to it's called Kaggle. Just go to Kaggle datasets, and you might be able to find more data here. There's a lot of open source data for almost everything that you can imagine. It's all here. It's like GitHub for data. It's like GitHub for data. So you can use it for anything. So let's do, that's a really good question. I'm still trying to figure out where to go from there. It sounds like you want to work on more. Oh, there we go. We're already there. Check it out. This is neat. So you're probably already familiar with Kaggle. Just jump on Kaggle and look for anything that looks interesting. And so like, let's take a look here. There's tree growth. I mean, that one's, all right. Botany. All right, botany. Like, what one looks exciting to you? Which one looks... Sports? Here we go. Hey, now you can get into the betting leagues. Why don't you go and see if you can take this data here and then train it to learn how to place sport bets and get money? That might be a good one. Let's do. That's a good project. Because it's a lot of data, right? So you might need to create a distributed architecture to train multiple things at multiple once. There you go. That might be a good one. Love this. Keep this up. I will. Meso, I will. We'll keep it up. Absolutely. You got it. We'll keep it up for sure. So there's an idea. If you have any, just let's do. If you have any other questions, jump on our Discord and we could chat more. 2016 clinical, bro. It's gonna be all right. It will be. It absolutely will. Hello. How long it's been? Oh, the Tech Man. Welcome on in, the Tech Man. It's been about 30 minutes. We've only been streaming for 30 minutes, and we've got one goal for the stream is to draw in color. We're gonna have the AI draw in color. So that's the plan for today. That's the one plan for today. This is fire. All right, that's great to hear. Excellent. I'm looking for it. Thanks. Solid advice. Been looking into it. Can you share your Discord? Yes, I will. All right. Here we go. All right, let's do. Are you ready? We're going to grab the Discord here. Copy the link. Just jump on here. Send me a DM or ask anyone in the channel. All right, I need to. Here we go. How do we do this? 1 second. My chat window. I need to adjust it so I can send you a message. All right, here we go. Is going to click this? Enter a chat message. Okay, here we go. There we go. Send. Did it go through? Yes, it did. It went through. There you go. All right. Oh, that's what that sound is. I was wondering what that bling sound was, and I heard it. It bling. That's it. That was it the whole time. All right. It's a bling sound. Just put your Discord link in your community tab. Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. We should do that. All right. We should absolutely do that. So it should be on our YouTube. It should be on the community or in the profile. It should be in the profile or any of the profiles. All right. I need to remember to do that. The Tech Man. Thank you. Good idea. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, we got, what is this? Shores. Hey, Shores, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Happy to have you here. Can you code an AI? Yes, you can. You can if you want to. If you want to, you totally can. That's something you absolutely can do. There's nothing holding you back on that. You might as well. You might as well do it if you want. I don't know. That's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to jump back in. Let's see here real quick. Hey, Fames. How's it going, Fames? Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, we're good to go here. All right, so let's see here. So let's see if we can get this to learn how to do color. So we know this is the red value, right? So we can convert this into red, green, blue. All right, let's do it. All right, so this will be red. Here we go. SD, green, and blue. There we go. All right, well, I got to spell blue correctly. B-L-U-E. There we go. All right, there we go. So now we got red, green, blue. Now we're going to train the AI to do color. All right, so we got red. Okay, I think what we could do is we could just do it like this. Red, green, blue. All right, I think we're good there. I think that might be it. Your Discord is already linked on your profile. Oh, it is. All right, excellent. Thank you, the Tech Man. I forgot that we did that. We already did that. We already did it. Excellent. All right, so we're good to go. We don't have to do that one again. That's great. I'm happy about that. I'm very happy about that. Hey, Quantum Blob, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, so this is our red, green, blue, and now our output color for the training the AI to draw colors will be right here. TZG00, how's it going? Good to see you. Vinny17, what are you doing? Happy to have you. Are you guys working on any good projects? PubSub must be chill company to let you live stream during a workday. I know, well, because it's my company. I know, right? It's my company, so I do what I want. I do what I want. I can do what I want. So here we go. And I'm doing it now because, yeah, you got it. You got it. You figured it out. Yep, you're right. We are the proprietor. We are the proprietor. It's a lot easier to code an AI girlfriend to get a real one. Asking for yes, it is much easier to code your own than to get one in real life, because the real life ones, you have to convince them. You don't have to convince them if they're artificial intelligence. You should react to Alan Becker is a cool animation channel. Is it? Alan Becker? That sounds kind of neat. All right, we'll have to check that out. Let me pull it up here on the phone real quick. I'm kind of curious. 1 second. Gotta click a button. Let me see here. One moment. Hi, ready to meet or chat. 1 second. In about an hour. There we go. Okay. Excellent. All right. Let me type that. All right. Good to go now. Good to go, guys. All right. So, hey, one more thing. You asked me if I created a model from scratch. I've done that. Okay, let's do. You've done a convolutional neural network, a recurrent neural network, and a bit of long-term, short-term. Excellent. And you've done transformers. So you're good. Should I can do a whole transformer as well, or just doing an encoder decoder? Those are great. I think your weight boss is okay with it at PubNub. I know, right? TikTok or NickTok. You got it, NickTok. You got it. Right? You got it. Yep, exactly. So it sounds like, let's do it. Sounds like you've got everything that you need. You've got anything from here. You've got enough foundation going forward to achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. The next step, my recommendation is start building something. Start building something that you would want to release to the public, and then start getting users. That's the next thing you got to do. That's it. You already have more than enough skills. You don't need to prepare any further. You're good to go now. Just build something and then release it to the public and then get users to use it. Who here has heard of Elms? What are Elms? Hey, Gambit, what's Elms? What are you talking about? Why still program by yourself when the AI can do it all? The AI can do it all. You're right. You want to keep your skills. You want to keep your coding skills up to speed. So one of the things is if you type your, this is also like a good reason for streaming is, and instead of having the AI do the coding for you, you can do the coding yourself and then keep your skills fresh. Because otherwise you atrophy. You got to be careful. It's easy to atrophy, you guys. Did you score really well in school? No, I didn't. I didn't score really well in school. It did not happen. School was not as very entertaining for me. School is a chore. School is a problem. I wanted to do other things. I wanted to play video games. Extreme learning machines. Oh, I have not heard of those things. I have not heard of them. I have not heard about those things. All right. Why? Okay. Hold on 1 second here. We got House Blind. Hey, House Blind, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. We're going to be doing a lot of AI. That's the plan. Hey, SAQ 3000. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right, so we got a red, green, blue. We're at red, green, blue here. Now, I think we got to do one other thing. I think we have to go down here and update this. I've not done this before, so I don't know. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't know if it'll work or not. So let's see if this works. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready? Are you going to see in color? We're going to see if we can get in color. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Oh, we got a problem. We saw some errors. We got some errors, and it kind of... Oh, wait. Oh, I've got an idea. I figured it out. 1 second. 1 second. That didn't work. It was pretty. It was pretty. How old are you? Are you familiar with the Primogen? Are you familiar with the Primogen? SAQ, I was invited here. SAQ 3000, you saw the horizontal. Hey, how's it going? This is a horizontal stream here. I just saw you were over there on the horizontal. All right. So, yeah, if you heard of the Primogen, I'm older than the Primogen. If you're familiar with the Primogen, I'm just a little bit older, a smidgen older than the Primogen. Okay, so we need to modify another thing. Here we go. Here we go. You guys see it, right? Bop, 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 boom, done. All right, there we go. That should do the trick. Now we should see color. Now we should see color. Oh, nope, just kidding. Okay, it had an issue. Oh, right. Okay, so our shape, we need to reshape it. How do you keep up with all these projects? Just a lot of focus. You got to focus a lot. There's a lot of focus. Okay, so we've got our reshape. Here we go. Okay, so how do we do this? I think maybe it's 3. Maybe we do it like that. Is it like that? Is that going to be better? Is it going to be better if we do that? No, it doesn't like that. So what if we did like this? 3. Like that. Is it going to be better now? Is it going to be better now? Yep, yes, it is. But it's blank. It's blank, you guys. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, something showed up. What's happening? Oh, we're getting a clip of some sort. Oh, something's happening. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's about. All right, let's see here. See here. Anything interesting? Can you share? Yo, was up finally. Got your stream on time. Excellent. You're here on time. You're definitely here on time. Good to have you. Good. Happy Monday. Welcome on in. All right, let's see. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it, guys? What is wrong? Do we need to do some sort of clipping or something? What is this? Let me see here. Maybe we... Oh, no, we already have 10H here, so we should be fine. We should be fine. The output layer is already 10H. We should be fine. Let's close that and see if that does anything. All right, we got to figure this out. We got to figure it out. All right, so clipping input data. 1 second. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. Look at that. It's pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's very colorful. It's very colorful. Okay. I think I know what to do here. It's cool. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see it. Look at the AI. It's trying to learn color. It's trying to learn color. What's your take on vibe coding? Let's do it. Vibe coding is the way to go. You want to do vibe coding because it is the future, and you want to make sure your skills are up to. It's a bit delayed, but just about a half second. Torva, yep, the horizontals will be delayed just by a smidgen. Smidgen delayed. You know, you should put slight background music to the stream. That would be good. Okay, the tech man, would you be able to find, this looks nice. It's kind of like an oil spill. You're right. It looks like an oil spill, Torva. It's pretty neat. 10H give you negatives. You need 0 to 255. Yes. Okay. So we're doing, so good point. Okay. So let me see here. Let's see here. So yeah, I took out 10H. I took it out. And that's also because of our color arrangement here. Okay. Here. Oh, I know what we got to do. We forgot to do a thing. All right. Divide by 255. Let's do that. Let's add this in. Here. This is what we needed to do. All right. We're figuring it out, you guys. We know what's going on. I'm pretty sure that's what we got to do right there, and we should be good to do. We also should be able to add 10H back. We should be able to add 10H back, and we should be good. I think so. You guys ready? Oh, here we go. here we go. It's not color though. It's not color. It's definitely different. At least it's back to normal. At least it's back to normal. I think it's pretty neat. 10 inches giving you negative values, right? So we'll see. Maybe what we could do is we need to invert it. We might need to invert it. I think we have to invert it. So let's see if we can invert it. All right, let me close that. Let's close that here. Let me close that really quick. Let me double check. All right, see if we still get any errors on the clipping. Yeah, we still get errors on the clipping. Looks fine though. No big deal. No big deal. It is. Yeah, it is like a black hole. It looks like a black hole. It's very much like a black hole. It's the Pytorch logo, you guys. It's the Pytorch logo. Clamp output to 0 and 1, and then multiply by 255. Okay, cool. Let's draw that. I'll follow it. TB Inc. has got an idea here. TB Inc.'s got the idea. All right, so let me see here. Let me see. Let me double check. All right, so we do a division here. I think we could do something like this. Let me do this real quick. Let's try this. 1 negative, like that. All right, let's do 1. Let's see. 1 minus. All right, and then we'll do the clamping. We'll do the clamping and multiply by 255. We'll do the clamping and multiply by 255. I want to try this really quick to see. Okay, so that inverted it. Well, okay, so that did it the opposite direction. Neat. Okay, let's do what TB Inc. recommended. I'm going to undo that really quick. Actually, no, let's keep that there. We'll keep it there. All right, so we'll go back over here. That's good. I'm talking about the output. Yep. All right, so here is the output. So right here, we need to, right here. So here's the output data right here, right? We need to take the output data and clamp it. So out.clamp to 1.0 and multiply by 255. All right, let's try it. Are you guys ready? Is it going to be color? By the way, Steven, any genre preferences? Anything that's free to stream on all platforms. Torva and the Tech Man, anything that's free to stream that's copyright free, it would be perfectly fine. Anything, something without lyrics, something that does not have spoken word, something that, because we're talking right now, and then, okay, 1 second here. A quick, okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, gotcha. All right, I do know what that is. All right, never mind. Yes, so anything like that would be great. Then we can have some background music, you guys. I think that would be neat. Followed your TB. Okay, cool. Nick Talk, you did a thing, and I don't know what that means. I don't know what it means, but I see it there, Nick Talk. I see what you're doing there, Nick Talk. I don't know what that means, so I'm kind of curious. Do you think it's going to work this time, you guys? Is it going to be full color? We're going to find out here. It looks like something. It's showing up. Something is showing up. Is it look like color, though? Classic music? Perfect. Let's do classic music. I think classic music is good. Is there any real-life use case for this? Yeah, we're learning the inputs and outputs for the AI. We're trying to understand. So it is still clipping. It's still clipping here, which is interesting. I thought we clamped it, though. Out equals clip. Oh, thank you. Okay. See, that's one of the things. I'm always thinking that it mutates itself. Out equals. Thank you. All right, let's try that again. Here we go. All right, thank you, TB Inc. Thank you. All right, here we go. Okay. Maybe we don't need to multiply it by 255. We might not need to multiply it by 255. I think it went just a smidgen too high. Wait, we gotta, hey, Robbie Kumar, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. We're doing some AI. We're making the AI here learn to draw in color. And it's struggling. It's struggling right now. It's having some issues. All right, while it's struggling there for a bit, I'm just going to let it see. 1 second here. Okay, let me click some buttons here. All right. Okay, but all right, sounds good. All right. Okay, so we need to, what's your favorite song? Oh, my whole favorite song in the whole wide world? It's a copywritten song. It is a copywritten song. It is, I think it's step by step. It's like from a really old movie, but it's like got really good music. It's really good. I'll put a link to it on my Discord. Here, I'll put my current favorite song on Discord. All right, Spotify. I'm pulling up Spotify really quick. And then let me go to liked songs. Actually, let's go to this one here. And then we'll scroll down to it. So let me see if I can find it. Here. It is. Let me zoom in. We're gonna pull it up here. We'll pull it up. All right. So here, Well, I'll zoom in on it so you can see. So here's some of my favorite songs. Let's see here. Where is it? I'm not gonna play it on stream, but I'll put it in Discord. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. It's bit by bit. All right, let me copy that. Copy. Let me zoom out here. Zoom out. Oops. Oh no. Where we go? So it's bit by bit. It's called bit by bit. I'll put it on Discord. My favorite song, you guys. Zoom out. Por favor. There we go. All right. Here we go. Bit by bit. All right, loading up. Perfect. Let me see if I can copy this. Copy the link, and I'll put it in Discord. Copy the link to the song. Perfect. All right, I'll put it in Discord here. It is in Discord server. Okay, I'll put it in the general chat. Paste. Boom. There it goes. There we go. Bit by bit. That's one of my... I like this song. It's just a fun song. It's like really easy to dance to. All right, so here are the two songs just pasted. Oh, you just pasted? Share on Discord? Yeah, on Discord. Okay, cool. The Tech Man. All right. We'll do the first one here. We'll click on the first one. Click there. Here we go. All right. There we go. We got some nice background music, you guys. Excellent. All right. Thank you, the Tech Man. Thank you. Let's see. Is there like a nice, easy way, copyright-free ambient music? All right, we'll find out. I've done this before, and it's like sometimes it's just pretending. Here are the two songs okay, cool. We're good to go, you guys. All right, so clipping input data to the valid range for... Okay, got it. Okay, here we go. I think... One second. Who dat? Dairu, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. We'll be doing some AI. We're getting the AI to draw some pretty colorful images. All right, I think we don't multiply the output. I think we do it like this. Let's see if we can update that. Is it going to be better now? No clipping errors. We got no clipping errors. Excellent. Although the color is not there now. The color's not there. Oh no, you guys. Oh no. Okay, so we need to figure it out. We need to figure out how to get this into color. We're so close. So we trained the AI on red, green, blue output. It's got it. It's almost there. So what is missing? This is the last thing we got to do today. This is like the one task. We got to turn this into color. You guys. That's the task we got. You don't need to multiply. You're right. Okay. The input, can you go to red, green, blue? TB Ink. I think they are all the same. Oh, you're right. TB Ink, you're right. You're so right. I think you're right because I remember we didn't update it. You're totally right. Hey, you're right. TB Ink, thank you. All right. Boom. All right, there we go. One more. Okay, perfect. Now we got it. Now it's actually going to be in color. TB Ink, thank you. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see if do you think it's going to work for real this time? Hey, Quantified Quantum, good to see you. Welcome on in. You're on the horizontal stream over there. I see you on the horizontal stream. Good to have you in. Hey, Quantified Quantum. Hey, if everyone doesn't know, Quantified Quantum, if you're still here or not, I just wanted to say you've done a really good job. Quantified Quantum is the Discord administrator. He is the official Discord administrator. We have fantastic mods and in our Discord and in our chat as well. Thank you for all the great work you guys do. I really appreciate what you're doing. And Quantified Quantum is the admin on our Discord server and has been doing a really great job. Quantified Quantum, thank you so much for all the great things you've been doing and getting our Discord bot set up and good to go. I appreciate it. Just thank you so much. I appreciate all the things you do. All right, do you guys think it's actually going to work now? Do you think it'll actually work this time? So TB Ink, thank you. We got it updated. So this is how you can tell we're really coding like for real. We're not pretending coding. We're doing it for real. How's it going, Zeno? Good to see it. Welcome on in. All right. Is it going to work this time? Here we're going to find out. We're going to see. Oh, look at that. It is working. It's in color now, but it's the wrong color. It's just turning it. It's the wrong color this time. It's got to be orange, but it's like the opposite color. It's the opposite, but it's in color. Look, we trained it under draw color. We did it, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that great? I think it's fantastic. Use blue, green, red. Okay, so we can switch it around. You're totally right. You're totally right. We can switch it around. Let's do it. We'll flip it around. We got to flip the colors. I want to make sure that it's reproducing the image as much as possible. It is neat. It's neat that it's like a cyan color, right? It's got like it's the opposite of what we were thinking. Yeah, vertical wasn't showing my messages, so you had to go horizontal. There you go. We can see your horizontal messages, Quantified Quantum. And thank you again for being a fantastic moderator and a fantastic administrator on our Discord server. You've been doing a really great job, and I appreciate all the things you're doing. It's been fantastic working with you. You're a very positive person, and it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it a lot. I enjoy it. Thank you. All right, let's do it. Let's update the color. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. All right, so there was one other song. Let me click the other song here as well. So we get that one going. Pause that. So it's got to be paused. No, all right, perfect. So when that song ends, I'll go to the next one. Thank you for sharing the song links, by the way. Okay, so we could switch the colors, or let me see. I want to see if we can uninvert this. I want to see what this looks like before we uninvert here. I just want to see. We'll keep it the same, but we'll jump back over. We'll jump back. Ooh, there we go. Now it's the right color. The background, however, is the opposite. Now it's the right color. Isn't that cool? That is very nifty. I think that is super nifty. Actually, it makes a lot of sense. It's correct. It did it correct. It's because the image is transparent. The background color is the opposite. We could change it to have a light colored background. We could. The anti-aliasing. Wait, hold on. Now teach it anti-aliasing. It's doing pretty good. We could. You mean like the DLSS on NVIDIA? Quantified Quantum, like the DLSS? Is that it's like upscaling? We could teach it upscaling. We absolutely could teach it upscaling. Thank you. You're a good host yourself. The positivity just spreads. That's awesome. That's great to hear, Quantified Quantum. I appreciate it very much. That's great. That's fantastic. That's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let me see. Pop this over here. Scroll this. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. Okay. Neat. Look at that. Oh, wait, 1 second. 1 second. Is that royalty free? I don't know if it is or not. Here's the other song. Okay. We got the other songs going. This is neat. Look at that. All right, we got the right color, the right everything. It's good to go. We did it. We did it. TP Inc. We did it. We're getting it now. We did. You're right. Oh, you don't have to alpha channel. You got it. The alpha channel will make it so the background, we can add it. Should we teach it transparency as well? Should we also teach it transparency? Beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. We did it in color, you guys. Let's teach it transparency. Although we could. I'm actually kind of curious. Could we teach it transparency? We could. We absolutely could. There's nothing that's holding us back. Here are the two songs. Oh wait, we already read that. Okay. Is it just me, or subtitles are extra consistent recently? Because we made an upgrade. We made it better. Extra consistent it is. It's super extra consistent. Isn't that nifty? I think it's nifty. I think it's pretty good. The Python logo for a multiple color. We should do the Python logo, right? We should do the Python logo. That's a good idea. Oh, you don't have alpha channel. We don't. All right. So let's do. All right. So we've got more time here. How much time do we have? We've got some time. Okay. We're good to go on time. We can hang out for longer. If you guys can spend the time, we can do the time as well. All right. TB Inc. I like it. I like it. You got a good idea. All right. So we're going to do the Python logo so we can see multiple colors. And I want to add transparency as well. And we'll add transparency. Isn't that neat? All right, let's see here. So where is the Python logo at? So 1 second. I think we need to. Oh, you didn't see it. Nothing there. Nothing. All right, let me. 1 second. Where is our Python logo at? Here. C, CD, Sosu, LS. All right. Wait. LS, grep, PNG. All right, there we go. PNG. Here we go. So we have a Python. There's Python. There it is. Open. We'll do open Python dot PNG. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. All right. So it's a little bit big. We need to downsample that. We need to scale this down because it's a smidgen too big. We need to resize this. We got to resize it, you guys, so we make it a little bit smaller. You got to make it a smidgen smaller. So hear me out on the AI on human input patterns. Just to mess with the Cloudflare CAPTCHA. Oh, we could mess with the Cloudflare CAPTCHA. We've got all the technology for it now. We've definitely got the technology for it. We know how to achieve the goal. You got it. Absolutely. Wait, hello, bro. Remember me? Yeah, the last attack. Absolutely. Wait, remember you? Absolutely, the last attack. You got it. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, you guys. Funny how I stumbled upon many streams, but keep coming back here. The Tech Man. So here, isn't that nice? So I don't code, just positive energy. Oh, that's awesome. That's great to hear. Yeah, this is really exciting. We're doing some amazing things. I'm actually really looking forward to this. All right, because there's just so many cool things you can do, especially with artificial intelligence. All right, so let's teach the AI. Let's teach the AI to draw transparency, so we get the 4th channel, all 4 channels: red, green, blue, and alpha. All the channels, you guys. I'm so excited. And we need to resize this image. How do we do that? So let's see. I want to resize this image real quick. So let's do cp python.png to our Pytorch desktop tutorial. Wait, no, Python tutorial. Here we go. Perfect. Paste it in there. There we go. cd /. Excellent. There it is. mv python to python.png, because I want it to be there. All right. So now we could do. Let's ask Google real quick. All right. ffmpeg downscale PNG to smaller. All right. There we go. We'll just ask the AI for real quick. Width, height, output. Okay. ffmpeg. Here we go. Scale and then output. Okay. Here we go. That's what we want to do. All right. So input image is going to be Python, and then the output will be, we need to be like 200 by 200. I'm pretty sure it is a square. So 200, was it 200 colon 200? Yeah. Colon 200. Oh, and Steven, I sent you the classical CC free playlist and the song. You did on Discord? Did you send it on Discord? Excellent. Why stop at transparency? Push it above standard red, green, blue range. Yeah, we could quantify quantum. Go to like, go way beyond. We could go way beyond that. We could go absolutely beyond that. Okay, so that was some not copyrighted free music. Just for a smidgen there. Sorry about that. A little bit of copyrighted music. That is, we can't have. We gotta shh. You didn't hear it. You didn't hear anything. Nothing. We could. What is it? So we could go ultraviolet, right? Non-red, green, blue. We could go infrared. We could go. What is it? What are the microwaves? We could do microwave. We could teach the AI microwaves. You got any people who inspired you to do what you're doing? Yes. Audrey Tang, and Douglas Crockford and Steve Souders, right? Audrey Tang, Douglas Crockford, Steve Souders. Look them up, you guys. Audrey Tang, Douglas Crockford, and Steve Souders. Steve Souders, you guys. There you go. That's the answer. All right, so let me pop up. So we got some more songs here on Discord. Where was the playlist at? Did you say you put it on Discord? Where is it? In a private chat. Okay. In the secret, you can't see anything. You can't see that, you guys. All right, I'm going to put it in this private chat here. All right, here's the classical playlist CC. All right, perfect. Thank you, Torva. Was it Torva or Techman? Did you? Okay, Torva. Thank you, Torva. All right, let's play it. Here we go. Let's play all. Click all the buttons. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going. All right, it started. We got perfect. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. That's very nice. Some piano and some instruments there. I like it. Thank you. Me, the MP3 STH I made. Did you? You converted to MP3? Okay, 1 second here. All right, so let's train the AI on transparency. And did we convert the image yet? Okay, we'll just say output. Open out. Is it smaller? Yes, it is. It's smaller. We made it smaller. Perfect. It's perfect. Isn't it great? Okay, so now we got 2 colors and the alpha channel. So we're gonna have 4 channels: red, green, blue, alpha. Now we're gonna train the AI on the Python logo, which looks kind of like a hard challenge, right? Doesn't that look? It looks a little bit more intense than the Open Pytorch. There we go. Pytorch. Here's the Pytorch logo, right? So you got the 2 logos. You got the Pytorch logo. Let me zoom in on that. And then you've got the Python logo, which is right here. So I think the Python logo is going to be a little bit more difficult to learn for the AI than the Pytorch logo. Let's find out. I'm so excited. It's going to be really neat. No, the MP3 is something you made. May be a bit hectic for the background, but it's 100% Creative Commons for free. Nice. All right. That sounds great. We'll see. Let's see if we could. All right. Let me go back here real quick. And then you've got an MP3 here. Is it okay? I'm gonna. That's nice. That's nice. I like it. Okay. We'll drop down the audio there, and then we'll pause the There we go. It's nice. Okay, so we got like a nice little doot 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 in the background. I like it. So get some doot doots in the background. Very nice. Infrared sounds cool, doesn't it? I think so too. Nick Talk. I think next stream do the balancing pole from Gymnasium. Oh, Gymnasium. That sounds like a good one. All right, that one. So I'm not used to that, so I don't know how it'll work, and I've never done it before. TB Inc. I've never done it before, but it sounds like it would be really neat. So the idea is TB Inc. If you're still here, I'm pretty sure you are. TB Inc. So we can also train an AI. We could train an AI to balance something, right? So it keeps it balanced instead of falling off and falling. That one would be neat. I think that would be really neat. I think we could do that. I think we absolutely could do that. That'll be our next project. Okay, that'll be our next project, you guys. I'm excited about that. Oh, is it over? Oh, wait, did it end or did I close it accidentally? 1 second. Was that it? 1 second. Let's play it again. Okay. I closed it accidentally. Sorry about that. Okay, let's bring that back over here. Oh, and the Lord of Mysteries. Oh, it's going really good. I'm on episode 5. I'm at episode 5. It's going very well. It's going very well, you guys. Doing very good. How to be pro as a programmer as you, bro. Hey, Nikki, how's it going, Nikki? Good to have you in here. All you do is practice and then build stuff. Build a project, and then you go a step further and release the project to the public and start getting users. Update and maintain your project. Make it better. Turn it into an app. And there you go. That's literally the thing you do. That's it. That's it. If that's the one thing that you would want to be to make yourself better at it, you just make that your primary task. Make it your primary task. So I was wondering how much data would I need for AI to find intent of a phrase sentence? Not a lot. You could do it pretty rapidly. You could do it pretty quick. You are very good in Python. Yeah, we're doing good in Python. We've got Rust. We've got C. We've got JavaScript. Those are my favorite. SQL, but that's a DSL, so that doesn't really count. Although we've got Scala, we've done Java, of course. Golang, that one's also a fun one. We can do anything. We can code in any language, you guys. It doesn't matter. So I was wondering how much data would I need? Oh wait, I already read that one. Sorry. You don't need that much data. Quantified quantum. 108 people. Wow, that's amazing. What do you know? That's great to see. All right, so let me jump back over here real quick. COBOL is the best, is it? I don't know. COBOL has been around for a while, and there's many new modern languages that have come out. COBOL is just making operating system called LLM Registry, a central registry, and metadata store for models, pipelines, tests, and suites. That sounds like an exciting project. You're working on, Nick Talk there. That sounds like an exciting project. All right, let me double check that I've got everything. It jumped to 125. Yeah. Oh, wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it jumped to 125? Let's find out if the other model will still be the best performant. Yeah, I'm actually getting curious. All right, so let's get back over here. So here's the color. We're good. Let's add the alpha. Hey, we got another subscriber, you guys. Who did it? Andre Musat. Hey, Andre Musat, welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Thank you for joining. The viewer count. Oh, it jumped. Oh, gotcha. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. Got it. Thank you for clarifying. Good morning. Kamala, good to see you. Happy morning to you as well. Happy morning. Good morning. All right, let's see here. Jumping back, because I think if making an off-brand knockoff Jarvis, that would be fun. That sounds like a good one. You should do it, Quantified Quantum. You should do it. That's by far, you should do it. Switch tier, the tech. All right, cool, the tech man. I see you over there on that one. I see it. I definitely see it. All right, let me see here. Okay, so the song ended. Thank you, Torva, for the song. Now let's jump back over here to the other playlist. All right. Get some, there we go. Some nice classical background there. You guys. Open source project. Nice, Nick Talk. Nice, very nice. Very nice, Nick Talk. All right. Okay. I just heard that as angry mustache. Oh, did you? That's one way to do it. All right, so let's go. Alpha. Here we go. Here's the alpha channel, you guys, which is going to be the 4th channel. Even though it's 3 here, that's the 4th channel. We could also grab. All right, so let's make this pretty so we can read it nice and easy. Let's read it nice and easy. F dot here, F dot, perfect, comma, and then we'll copy and paste in the alpha. ALP. There we go. And then move that down there. All right, so now we've got a red, green, blue, and alpha. All the things at once. And at the same time, let's update it so that we are now, instead of the Pytorch, we will do, actually, you know what? Let's go up here. Let's do, where's that load? Okay, so let's do image file equals Python dot, wait, no, we'll call it output.png. This is what we do. And then we'll go over here and say image file. Perfect. No, not path, image file. 1 second. We got to retype that file. Perfect. Excellent, you guys. Excellent. All right, what is over here? Dillop. Wait, is it Philip or Dillop? I can't tell. Dillop? Is that Dillop? Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. We're doing AI, as you can see. We're gonna make the AI. Good night. Gonna have some sleep. See you tomorrow. Cool, the tech man. Thank you for oh wait, no. Oh, that was Quantify Quantum. Okay. See you tomorrow, Quantify Quantum. Just saw your message. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep there. All right. Jump back over here. Gotta go. Cool. TB Inc. Sounds good. Thank you, TB Inc. You don't like Python so much. User unknown. You don't like Python. I thought Python's great. Python works perfectly nice. It's easy to read. It's very easy to read. All right. So let's see if we can get it to run now. Oh, we got an error. Oh, I know why. Because we've got an extra channel. So bop that up there. All right, got an extra channel there. Okay, looking good. Do we need to still clip? I'm actually kind of curious. Do we need to clip? I don't think we need to clip. Just in case. Oh, we got another problem. All right. Oh, there it is. Okay. What we need to do is, because we keep running into this problem, we need to see number of channels. All right. See here, channels. How do we? Oh, I know. Okay, so. How do we, so it's in here, it's in Y, so channels, we'll do this. So we make it easy, so we say Y0, Y0, I think we say len, like that. So that'll be channels, right? Channels, perfect. Here we go. Paste, channels equals, perfect, there we go. So now we won't make mistakes. What does clipping mean? It will take the range of the output and maximize it. So between 0 and 1, because our model might go above, it might go higher. So we can bring back 10H there, I think, and it won't, so it's just preventing it from going too high or too low, because the AI can do that. It can absolutely, you still use Python sometimes, but mostly Rust and TypeScript. There you go. Rust is for the win. Rust is great. I love Rust. Rust is the one, you guys. How long do you think it'll take to learn movie-worthy level Python effectively? A couple months, maybe not. Hey, Indra Kumar, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. Happy to have you joining. We are building AI that can draw color. We're drawing color here. All right, so we've got channels as the output, right? Color channels. So that's color channels. And then, so you prefer Vim? Do you prefer Vim? I do. I like Vim. Vim is the way to go, Gambit. Vim is way better because it's just easier. I like it. It does all the things I want it's because of what makes me happy. It's what makes me happy. You should use the tools that make you happy. That's what you should do. Don't worry about like efficiency or how fast you can make things look on your screen. It doesn't matter. Do what makes you happy. Use the tools that make you happy. Roger Carmen, thank you for subscribing. Happy to have you in here. We're gonna build an AI that can draw some color. We're really gonna do it. All right. So there's one other thing here. So we got channels. Where's our output? I know we had 3 somewhere else in here. Here it is, right here. We're reshaping it. So channels. There we go. Oh, we got to type it properly, you guys. We got to type it properly. CHAN. There we go. Channels. Now we're good. Let me so we can see that on the screen. There we go. Perfect. There we go. We don't need to clip anymore. We don't need to clip it between 0 and 1 because we've got our 10H activation here. Should be good. All right. Are we ready to go? Do you think we're ready to go? Is this it? Did we do it? Is it going to work? I'm actually really excited about this. I'm really excited. I think it's going to work. I think we're going to have alpha, although I don't know if we're going to be able to tell. Hey, Dogwood, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. All right. So we've got our red, green, blue, and alpha. Red, green, blue, and alpha. Outstanding, isn't it? I think so. I think it's wonderful. I think it's absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so let's see here. Hey, Betty, welcome on in. Good to have you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. All right, here we go. So I think this is it. Is this everything we need? Is this it? All right, let's find out. Is it gonna crash? Is it gonna crash? Oh, look at what we see here. What does that look like, you guys? What does that look like? I bet you could recognize that right there. What does that look like? Who says that? I don't know. Happy Monday, breathtaking. Woo, what does that look like, you guys? What is the AI doing right now? Isn't that neat? It's learning, you guys. Isn't that nifty? I think that's a pretty, it looks like a Tide Pod. I know it kind of does, right? It kind of does, it does look a little bit like Tide Pod, but it also looks like something else. It looks like something else, you guys. I think that's stunning. I think it's stunning too. It's Python. You got it, Pulsar. You got it, Pulsar Jan. You got it. It's the Python logo. Hey, look at what AI can do. It can learn how to draw. It can learn how to draw too. It's wonderful, isn't it, Kofi? I think it's so neat. It's so satisfying. Hey, Pavan, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Look, we're training AI right now. We're training the AI to draw pictures. We're training the AI to draw pretty pictures. Isn't it neat? Isn't that very satisfying? All right, so we do got to bring back the clip, but it's okay. Also, the alpha channel. You notice how the background is brightly colored now instead of darkly colored? It's because the alpha channel is now being recognized. It's neat. We trained the AI on 4-channel output: red, green, blue, and alpha. And it's the Python logo. I want to try to make it prettier. That does a really good job. Isn't that neat? That's so neat. Python is outdated. Q# is the way to go. Is it? What's Q#? I've never heard of Q#. What is Q#? Hey, Ola Midi and Argun. How's it go? Thank you for subscribing, you guys. Argun and Ola Midi. Appreciate it. This is on GPU. We're doing GPU acceleration. Training on GPU. We're doing GPU. So check this out. Check it out. So GPU right here. So I can show you. So this is it right here. Right here. You can see here on the screen, accelerator device. If you can read that on your screen, it says NPS, which is the metal backend for Pytorch, which is for Macintosh. It's running on the Macintosh, you guys, the Mac. It's a Mac hardware acceleration, which is the GPU acceleration for It's GPU acceleration. Oh, I have to go. See you later. Cool. Sounds good. Enjoy your day. Q# is for quantum learning. Is it? Torva, is it really? All right. I didn't know. I had no idea. Actually, I want to look that up. All right. So see, Q# programming language. All right. Q#. Here we go. The term Q#, pronounced Q#, refers to a domain-specific programming language developed by Microsoft for writing and running quantum programs. It was part of the Microsoft Quantum Development Kit, QDK. Of course, it's called C# because they have F#, right? And they also have C#. They want to put all the letters. They're going to sharp it all. Everything is going to get sharp. Microsoft is doing sharp. Quantum, you got it. It's quantum. I'm just waiting to see the others will turn out before we go to sleep. All right, sounds good. Ooh, nice. Want to try it with AMD? There you go. That'll make it real fast. How's it going, Maldi? How's it going? All right, let's pop this over here. All right. So what do we want to do next? Before we head out, there's one other thing I wanted to do. Let's see if we can make it look better. Let's increase it. Let's give it more parameters. We're going to give it more parameters, you guys. Is there any possibility to see operating system based on AI in the future? That's your thoughts? What are your thoughts? So it'll be really neat. In the future, we won't even need a computer interface. We don't need the keyboard. You don't need the keyboard anymore. You'll just be able to talk and the computer will do it's just like in Star Trek. In the future, remember Star Trek? The utopian society, the technical utopian society that can travel the stars, Star Trek. They don't have any currency either, right? No money, because they've got replicators. They can replicate things, and replicators can replicate replicators, right? So you have unlimited replicators, which means that unlimited resources for everyone, for the most part, right? So in Star Trek, they just talk to the computer. They just have the computer create a regressive algorithm to calculate blah blah blah, right? In Star Trek, computer program holodeck for Python AI drawing is done. There you go. It would be It would be holodecking. That would be so neat because it's an emulation of an AI from the 21st century, right? The 21st century, we only need a couple of hundred years to go before we get to Star Trek, I think, right? We need 200 more years and then we should be able to travel the stars. Is that what Star Trek's timeline is? I think so. All right, so let's see. Oh wait, we got to clamp it. 1 second, we got to clamp. We do need to bring back the clamping because the charting system was complaining. The charting system said it was complaining. Have you ever tried Portuguese food? I have. I do believe I have, and it was good. It was good. I remember enjoying it. Wow, that's cool. All right, here we go. Here's the AI. It's learning again. It's got even more parameters this time, you guys. Even more parameters. Hey, Jay Horton. Hey, Jay Horton. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome in. Happy Monday. We're training an AI to draw an image using red, green, blue, and alpha, all 4 color channels. With the alpha with the background. Isn't it neat? I think it's neat. Hey, we gave it a higher resolution, you guys. We gave it higher resolution. So it's doing even better this time. Isn't that neat? I think it's really neat. I think it's pretty satisfying. I'm very satisfied with it. Good to have you guys here. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. We achieved our goal. We did it. Was there anything else we wanted to do? This was it? We got the AI. We trained it to do colors. We got it even to do the transparency channel. And we added the Python logo. Anyway, stop on your stream, which looks awesome. Cool. Do you got any source repos to check out? Source repos. Oh, like GitHub. Yeah, yes, in the Discord. Just join the Discord. Best course for learning AI ML for beginners. Okay, I've got you. The best course. Isn't this look good? It looks almost perfect. The AI almost did a perfect recreation of the Pytorch logo. Or sorry, the Python logo. It's the Python logo. All in his profile and Discord link. You got it on Discord. There you go. It's all there. All you got to do is join the Discord, and then we've got all the resources for everything that you're looking for. AI, machine learning, if you want to learn Python, coding. Can you make a voice emulator with Python? Yes, you can. That would be a fun one. That would be a really fun one, wouldn't it? We can recreate music. We can recreate voices. We could do that too. That would be a fun one. We could absolutely do that. This would be neat. We can use AI to recreate whatever we want. That would be pretty satisfying. Check the others to check out how they do it. Wait, what do you mean? Yes, we could, right? Isn't that neat? I think that would be really neat. Okay, we did a really good job, you guys. I think we achieved our goal for today. What we want to do is figure out what we want to do next stream. What do we want to do next? So we could do the pole balancing, right? So we've got a pole that will, it topples itself, and so we train an AI to like balance a pole. Whoa, it finally draws now. Yeah, it does. Look, it drew. Isn't it neat? It draws. It draws really well. It draws really well, like phenomenally well. Here, we'll have it do it again. We'll have it do it so you guys can see. We'll have it start up again so you can see. Here we go. See, there it is right here. Isn't that neat? So it starts off at a blob, but then it finds all the small details. Isn't that neat? That's AI, you guys. We did it. We succeeded. We absolutely did. I just joined from stream because someone mentioned hackathon. Oh, we did. Yes, there's a hackathon happening. So there is a hackathon. We will be mentioning the details. Join the hackathon channel inside the Discord for the details. Join the hackathon channel for the details. Isn't that? It's so great, isn't it? WNT. I don't know how to say your name. WNTN. Witten's your name. Isn't it neat? So it does a really good job. This is neat. It's very satisfying. It's almost perfect. Almost a perfect recreation. Just about. It's pretty, isn't it? It's so pretty. You joined late. Kudos for your success. We did it, Kamala. We succeeded. We did it, Kamala. We were able to do it in color, right? We started out with just, grayscale, and then we added color, and then we added, should you say Java is easier than HTML? No. Jordan, no, not even close. Jordan Peebles? Nope. Jordan Peebles, I don't think so. Java is not easier than HTML. Is way easier. It's just a markup language. They're definitely different though, right? One's a markup language and the other is a programming language for writing applications. So they're different. HTML is easier. It is. It's just a markup language. John Crafts, you know it. You know it, John Crafts. You got it. You absolutely got it. HTML is definitely easier. All right, so we achieved our goal. So tomorrow, let's figure out what we want to do. Maybe we can do more image AI image stuff. We could do some more AI image stuff tomorrow. So here's our code. You can see our code on the screen. We can get rid of some of this. We don't need this here. Let me hide all that stuff. There we go. So here is all. This is it. This is the full code right here. It's the full code. Let's get rid of that. All right. Clean that up. All right. So we did it. We did it, you guys. We did it. This is it. It's not a lot of code. It's only 115 lines of code, you guys. Angular or React? So React will be far more profound in terms of its, what do you call it? It's more profound in the adoption. It's far more heavily adopted. A lot more adopted. So React is just bigger at this point. Yeah, I'm learning Java now. Nice. All right, you're learning the program. Started with HTML. Next, I have to do Bootstrap. There you go, Jordan Peebles. You're on your way. You're doing it right. Why did this pop out on my shorts? I don't know, Alpo. Apollo. Wait, Apollo. Apollo. I don't know, Apollo. Good question. Look at this guy. Read. Yep. You got it. We're doing it, John Crafts. We're raw in full-on text writing in. I know, right? No AIs, nothing. Well, maybe a little, smidgen AI. Just a smidgen of AI in there. Just a smidgen, you guys. Have you tried? Wait, should have tried a face. Should have tried a face. Wait, what is a face? Waxing on and waxing off. All right then. Yeah, I would still say React is the best. It's still the best. All right, so the thing went away. Looks good. Okay. There we go. We did it, you guys. We did it. We succeeded. Safi. How's it going, Safi? Good to see you. Thank you for joining. Welcome on in. We'll be doing more AI tomorrow. So we do got to get jumping. I like face image. Oh. So you think we should do something that's more than a logo? Should we do something like a human face? Should we do that? I suppose we could do my face, right? We could do my face. We'll do that real quick. Before we end, we'll do my face. We'll do a picture of me. Okay. So CP / so should we, let me see here. Where should we do that? It is, okay, I think, oh, there it is. There we go. Steven, headshot. Oh, Aaron. Was that Aaron? Hey, Aaron Pritchard. Hey, Aaron Pritchard, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. We're making it happen, you guys. All right. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna get this is the last one that we'll do. We'll do my headshot here, and then we'll do to here. We'll just say Steven.png. Perfect. All right. So we got it. We got Steven.png, and then we do ffmpeg. Mpeg. Where'd that go? Nope. You don't need that. You didn't see nothing there. Where's our ffmpeg at? Did I do it over here? Here it is. Perfect. Okay. ffmpeg. We're going to do Steven, STEPH, Steven, and then we'll do Steven small. We'll do Steven-small. STEPHEN-SMALL. Perfect. All right, there we go. There we go, you guys. I'm trying to learn and picked up Python. Basically, any advice? In a class currently. Oh, nice. You're in a class currently? Face image? Yes, we'll do it. We'll do a face image, Gambit. We'll do a face image. So, yes. Advice. There, Dr. Yu Lin, I think it's Dr. Yu Lin on our Discord. Dr. Yu Lin on our Discord. Go over to our Discord channel. There is a section for Python under the free resources. Here, I think it's called, so just type in Dr. DR, like Dr. Here we go. Dr. Angela Yu. Dr. Angela Yu. Perfect, right here. Look up Dr. Angela Yu, and there you go. There you got some good advice. There you go. That is a link on our Discord channel. You got solid project recs for Torch besides the supervised overdone MNIST thing. Oh, we got solid recs. Are you talking about like resources? I don't appreciate it. You're welcome. Happy to help. Appreciate it. Good to see. Oh, see. Do you have ADHD? Oh, that's a common. Everyone keeps saying that. Why do they keep saying that? Wheelzack. How's it going, Wheelzack? I don't know about the ADHD part. I've never been diagnosed. So, and also, I'm fine. I'm happy. No, but I do. Oh, you do? All right. Excellent. I mean, it's just a thing. It's a thing you got to deal with sometimes. Okay. So now we've got, let's see here. We got to update the image here. So this will be Steven small. Steven-small. All right, you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is it going to work this time? I think it is. I think it's going to work. Okay, so let me double check. XY looks good. XY. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's see. All right, let's try it. We'll just try it. All right. How do you know when you do? You get diagnosed. That's what it is. You get diagnosed. HD, I got 80 of them. You do? Yeah, it's a lot of them. He's just super passionate. You are right. We're just super passionate about the technology that's happening here. Right? This is what we got. Color. Here we go. Color.python. Here we go. All right, let's see if I can draw my face. Hey, it's doing it. It's kind of doing it. Look at there. Hey, that's kind of my face. It's kind of working. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that neat? Hey, it's kind of working. It's not working perfectly, but it's kind of working. Isn't that neat? All right, so now that kind of looks like a human person, right? A human person from Earth. Does this look like a human person from Earth, you guys? It's a human. It's not an alien. It's not at all an alien. Nope, not an alien here, you guys. Not an alien. A human person from Earth. Do you have a formal education in AI, or is this a lot of self-learning? It's all self-learning. All of it is self-learning. So that is no college, nothing else. No college or anything else, you guys. Hey, look at that. It's a human person, not an alien. Nope, not an alien. It's not an alien. You can't say that. You can't say it's an alien. It's a human person, you guys. That is a human person. Isn't that neat? Look, the AI is learning to draw, you guys. It's learning to draw my picture. It's my picture. Not an alien. Not an alien, you guys. Human. Can you draw using Turtle? Just the outline and the details. Yes, absolutely. So what is Turtle? I can draw a turtle. I could draw a turtle. I can have the AI. There it is. It's the completed rendition of a human face. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat, you guys? An AI learning how to draw pictures. We did it live on stream, you guys. Human, not an alien. Nope, not an alien. It's human. That's great, Steven. Thank you, Kofi. Thank you. Appreciate it. Any other resources aside from Dr. Angela Yu? Is it structured accordingly? There are a few others on our Discord, so there's a few more resources there. Those are the best ones to get started with by far. Could you explain is what is happening on the back end? Yes. So John Crafts, we've got an AI with a simple AI model that we loaded in an image, and then we trained the AI on the XY coordinates as the input, and the output is 4 channels: red, green, blue, alpha. And then we take the output from the model, and then we loop it, and we train it. We say, here's what the color should be at these coordinates. That's what the color should be at those coordinates. All right, we can do a turtle. We'll do a turtle real quick. Someone was asking for a turtle. We'll do a turtle. Guess how's back? Hey, Eddie Legendary, welcome back. Guess who's back now? We got Eddie Legendary. We just drew a picture of me. Look at that. Human person, not an alien. Not an alien, you guys. Not an alien. Human person from Earth. That's great, Steve. All right, okay, here we go. Check it out. All right, so let's see if we can do a turtle. We'll do a turtle picture. Turtle PNG. Here we go. Turtle PNG. Here we go. We'll do like this one right here. This one looks good. This one looks good right here. This one's got big cute eyes. We'll do the big cute eye ones. Here we go. All right, so save image. Here, save image here to let's say turtle.png. Turtle.png. We'll put it here on the desktop. Save. Okay. There we go. Bring it back over the terminal window. Oh, y'all been hanging out here? Yep. Torva, you got it. Yet over here on the horizontal. You got it on the horizontal. You know it on the horizontal, you guys. Let's see here. Let me double check. Okay, looking good. Looking good. All right, so CP / actually, yeah, we'll do, let's see, go back over here. FFmpeg. Wait, well, hold on 1 second. Was the resolution, what's the resolution of that turtle image? Let's see, open desktop / desktop turtle. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we do need a downsample. It does look like it's not perfectly square, right? It's not perfectly square, so we need to get. Hey, we got a new subscriber, guys. Sigi, how's it going, Sigi? Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. We're gonna draw a turtle. We just drew my face. We draw a face, and then now we're gonna draw a turtle, and then we'll call the end of the stream, and then we'll figure out something to do tomorrow. We'll figure out something else for tomorrow. And AI simulate an interactive based on the user mouse heat map. That would be a good one. That would be a good one. Oh, gotcha. So with more loops, it gets a higher resolution. Yes, you're right. You're right, John Crafts. You're absolutely right. Does it retrain itself for every new image? Yes, we're doing a full retraining from scratch. So we could have it like train on multiple images, and then also include what image it needs to recreate. We could do that, and then now you can create creatively. Have the AI and FFmpeg be able to view as a video after, right? We could absolutely do a video. We absolutely could. We could do a video as well. Good night, at least. I see face. All right, sounds good, Gambit. Sounds good. Good to see ya. Wow, that's super. The blur makes it look 3D. It does look 3D, doesn't it? It looks pretty neat. I think it looks pretty neat. Okay, so here we go. So Stephen Small. So we'll do, have a good rest, Gambit. Have a good rest, Gambit. Okay, let me see here. And after FFmpeg is able to view, okay. So we're all caught up here. So I need to, how do we get the parameters here? I want to see, how do we see here? Where is here we go, info, perfect. The picture is a square. Oh, it is a square. Okay, perfect. All right, so 360 by 360. Is that big? You know what? I think that's actually perfectly fine. CP for the desktop, turtle. Turtle to parent directory. Perfect. Okay. And then we'll just say turtle. TURTLE. Perfect. All right. Let's train it. Let's train it. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh, wait, sorry, 1 second. There we go. Ha! I know what we're doing. I know what we're doing. Oh, wait, it doesn't exist? Wait, TURTLE. Did I type it wrong? Oh, I didn't. I did type it wrong. All right, MB to TURTLE.png. Perfect. Okay. Now we're good to go. Hey, here we go. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Oh, figure it out. 1 second. We'll figure it out. All right, 1 second here. Will you pay him? Wait, pay who? I'm working on a deep learning techniques to compress images and save space. Are you interested in joining and maybe we can build something together? Joe, that sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Bro, you lagging. You can capture cards. You can try capture cards. Are we lagging? Are we really? How much are we lagging? Let me check. Oh, we are lagging a smidgen, aren't we? Stream's current bitrate. Oh, okay, gotcha. A smidgen behind you guys. That's okay. We're not too far behind, though. We're not too far behind. We're doing okay. We're doing okay, you guys. We're doing okay. Let me double check over here. Pipe over here. Good connection on that side. All right. Okay. I think we're doing okay. Current stream bitrate is low. We got a low bitrate, but we're fine. We're doing okay. Lagging a lot. Is it a lot? Where is it on the horizontal or the vertical? Is it lagging really good on the horizontal or vertical? Let's see here. Let me see here. Okay. So 1 second. Image file turtle. Oh, index is out of range. Is it because it's not full red, green, blue? A little of track. Oh, it's a little off track, but have you heard about Blender software? Yeah, Blender, absolutely, Blender. Hey, Michael B, welcome on in. Good to have you in here. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to try to draw a turtle, and then we're off to the races. This will be the last thing that we do today. So we're going to try to draw a turtle. Let me bring this back to Steven real quick to make sure that everything looks good. Here we go. Steven. Okay, cool. So that works. So our turtle. Let me block right over here. Turtle. Where is it? Turtle. Okay, 1 second. Open turtle. All right. Information. It says RGB. What about information on this? Information. Here we go. Oh, it says the same thing. Okay. So, if that's the case, it should work pretty fine because this is a PNG, right? It's a PNG. So it should be working. So why isn't it loading the turtle? Something weird's happening here, guys. It's not loading the turtle PNG. Oh, it's Michelle. Is it Michael? Oh, you said Michael? Michael or Michelle? Michael or Michelle. It's one of the two. One of the two, you guys. Okay, let's see. Pop it over here. 1 second. Okay. Could we theoretically use an alpha channel in the training out too? Yes, that's what we're doing. John, that's exactly what we're doing. What's the color scheme this is? Maddie, this is just red, green, blue, alpha. That's all it is. The lag is gone for now, but it was bad before. Oh, it was a smidgen bad? Okay, so we had a little bit of an interruption. We had a smidgen of interruption, you guys. Just a little bit of a lag, but we're good. We're back now. We're back now, it seems. Back now. Let me double check. To see. I want to make sure. I want to see here. Clicking the link. Oh, it is. Okay, you're right. It is back. We are back. All right. Good conditions. Okay. Good conditions all around. Like the logo, it's simpler design. Bury London. Music score. Is that it? Wait. Let me see. It says Symphony number 29 is what that is. Allegro moderato. That's what it is. That's what the music is in our background. That's what the music is. All right, so why is the turtle a problem? Let's see here. Turtle. Turtle. Okay, let's try that. Python color. Error. Load image. Image tensor 1. Index is out of... Oh, really? Oh, because the image failed. Okay, 1 second. Why... With that... Oh, it's calling in there. Okay, so it's... There's something weird happening here, you guys. Thank you so much for your work, sir. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, great feedback. Thank you for saying. Some of your videos helped me a lot on my school project. Nice. That's great to hear. You're welcome. I'm so happy to hear it. Are you more of a speed guy or a tortoise kind of philosophy? Go fast. I'm a go fast kind of person. Let's go as fast as possible. Don't slow down. Keep going. Here's the deal. It's a race. It's all a race. The whole world is a game, you guys. The whole world is a game. It's a race. The faster you're going, you'll outpace the other, whoever it is, right? And the ones who win are the ones who are going so fast that they're at the verge of crashing. They don't crash, but they go so fast that they're right at the edge of crashing. That's how fast you have to go, you guys. That's how fast you have to go. Oh, my other message didn't send. Maybe could you... The Blender logo. Oh, the Blender logo. Yeah, actually, that's also a good one. So let's do Blender. Let's do Blender logo PNG. Here we go. This one's a good one too. I like this one too. Let's save image as Blender. Blender.desktop. All right. Then we'll do CP fills / desktop Blender. Here we go. All right. Let's see if this one loads. Blender. All right. All right. Is it gonna crash this time or is it actually gonna work? Looks like it's working. Is it? Oh wait, no. It might be too big. Oh, I think it's too big. It's too big. It's too big, you guys. Hold on. How big is that? Open Blender. All right. Oh, is a beefy high resolution image there. All right, we got to fix that. All right, so if it's we need to make it a lot smaller. Okay. So let's do we'll turn it to 1. Okay. We got to downscale that, guys. We got to downscale it. It's a little bit too big for the AI to handle it. It's a little bit too big for my little computer. My little computer can't handle it. Oh wait, hold on. Are you using any Gen AI wrapper? No, we're all from scratch, you guys. All from scratch. So if he wants to make images other than the source, would he need more images? Yes, more images for training, John Crafts. You're right. More images for training. And the input data would also want to capture what the images that we want to draw, right? Want to capture what we want to draw and then what position of the pixel it is that we want to draw. That's a big boy. It's a big boy. You're right. I know. Like, my little computer can't handle that. Are you still trying to make the AI draw the Pytorch logo? Hey, Tuborg, we did it. We've succeeded. We got the AI to draw even my face. Here, well, watch this. Well, here, check this out. All right, so actually, it was FFmpeg. Here we go. We'll do, here we need FFmpeg. We'll say, what was it? Blender small, and then Blender. Here we go. Blender, and here, check this out. So it is that resolution right there, which means that if it's that resolution, we need to change that. So I would put this at here, 125, and then this will be 102. Here we go, 102. Perfect. All right, perfect. Done. L. All right, so Blender small. Let's open that instead here. Blender hyphen small. Perfect. Hey, Summit. Hey, Summit. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Tuborg. Yeah, we did it. I know we did it. So now we're going to do the Blender logo. Here we go. Pytorch logo. All right, that should work perfectly fine. Now we're good. Oh, here we go, you guys. Isn't that neat? The Blender logo. If you're familiar with Blender, the 3D editing studio. What type of person are you? Make new projects or improve existing ones? I like making new projects from scratch, from an empty file all the way to building. Woo, it learned the Blender logo very well. Look at that. It learned it very well. I still want to draw the turtle. I think it would be neat to draw the turtle. Hello, Eddie Legendary. How's it going? Hey, Mohammed. Hi, man. Good to see you. You look so smart. Thank you. Thank you for saying. That's a great compliment. I appreciate it. All right. We're drawing some images, you guys. This is neat. So if we could teach the AI to draw images, we could teach it to draw. We can start getting to creativity mode, right? We can have it draw anything. So if we train it on a lot more images, hey, Brian Bingwa, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. we're having the AI draw images. Look at, I did a really good job. Isn't that neat? Isn't that nifty? It drew a beautiful Blender image. It's beautiful Blender. You should send image file at name as a path and script instead of having to change it. Oh yeah, that's a good idea, Jeremy. Jeremy, all right, we'll do it for you, Jeremy. We'll do it for you. Are you ready? All right, so let's see here. Let's see, OS, import OS, or is it sys? It's sys, right? Okay, so import sys, and then where is our image at? Okay. What do we want to call it? So this will be, we'll call it Jeremy equals sys.arg 0. No, arg 0. Maybe it's arg 1. There we go. Arg 1. There we go. We're going to call you Jeremy now. We're going to call you Jeremy. All right. Jeremy recommended it. We're calling Jeremy. We're done. Jeremy. Perfect. Jeremy, or let's see. We'll do it like a backup file. Or we'll say Stephen, was it Stephen Small? Did I say small.png? Is that what it was? Let me see. Double check. Let's double check. All right. Was it Stephen Small? It is Stephen Small. Perfect. Okay. So there's a backup file. All right. So let's see. Let's try it. All right. Let's see if it works. All right. Are you ready, Jeremy? All right. So Python image, or no, color, and then we'll call it, was it Blender-small? Is it going to load the Blender image? Is it? All right. It did. There you go, Jeremy. We did it. Thank you for your recommendation. Hi, why without IDE? Oh, Volo. Voloshin. Voloshin, we like Vim. VIM. We like VIM. This is my favorite text editor. So you should use the text editor and the development environment of your choice. Make it so you're happy. You should make an AI course. That sounds like a good idea. I want to learn. Oh, look at that. It's learning Blender logo very well, isn't it? Very neat. And Jeremy, again, thank you. So you're going forward. Jeremy is the input argument at position 1. It's the input argument at position 1. AI courses sound like a lot of fun. We could do it. We could do it. We could do AI courses. So use the tools that make you happy. That's my recommendation. Thank you, Jeremy. Appreciate it. We did it, Jeremy. Now, going forward, you are the Jeremy. It'll be called Jeremy going forward. 10 Blender logo has a blue in the middle now. See, wait, let me check. Yeah, so we got the blue. We got the blue, you guys. Let's see, is it the Blender? Okay, so we didn't get, so our color looks a little bit more bright. It's a little more bright. It does good though. It does good. I think we're looking good. Try PubNub. Let's see if it handles letters. Oh, Torva. Are you ready, you guys? All right. I know we keep on. We're almost done with stream. We're almost done with stream, but we got to do something else now. Torva brought up a really. Hey, Samir. Samir, thank you for joining. Thank you for your subscription. All right, Torva, you ready? Are you ready for that? All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. All right, here we go. All right, so let's close that. All right, so CP social. Pub. Do we have it? Where is it? PubNub logo? Perfect. PubNub logo.png, and then we'll save it here. Open PubNub. Oh wait, no, that's not the PubNub logo. What am I doing? Here, PUB. There we go. PubNub. Here we go. Open PubNub. All right. So it is a high resolution. We need to reduce the resolution. Let's look at the information here. All right. So it'll be hard for you to see on the stream. It'll be hard for you to see on the stream. But where is the info? All right. Perfect. Here we go. So that is 15 by 443. All right. So let's reshape that. Let's resize that. So FFmpeg. And then our output size is, let's see, so let's do, okay, perfect. I know what to do. All right, so we'll do 151 by 44, colon 44. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that should be enough. That should be plenty. All right, we're going to do it. Can it do letters? Do you think, guys, do you think the AI is going to be able to learn how to write letters? Torva, you bring up a really good point here. Wait, no. Oh, we got to put the output the right. We got to change it. All right, so this will be pubnub-small. There we go. All right. So let me name this title real quick. Resize. Wait, hold on a second. Slim. Hey, Slim. 45 BIM. Slim 45 BIM. Welcome on in. Good to see you. FFmpeg resize. There we go. Now it's good. All right, so that'll be Vim. Over here is run ls. Okay, so Python color PubNub small. All right, you guys ready? Do you think it's going to be able to draw letters? Do you think the AI will be able to? I think the answer is yes. Do you guys think it's going to be yes? I think it's going to be yes. What are we doing? We are training an AI to draw letters now. Now we're changing it up. We trained an AI to draw color, to do alpha channel, right? The transparency channel. Red, green, blue, alpha. You didn't change the input file from Blender. Oh, thank you. All right, thank you. You caught it. No, there we go. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Jeremy, you're paying attention, Jeremy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Probably when resizing PubNub. Yep, you got it. There we go. Now it's correct. All right. You guys think it's going to draw letters? I think here we go. We're going to do it. Uh-oh. Problem. What does that mean? All right, we got an issue here. Why? Why is that an issue? That shouldn't be an issue. Let me see here. So it's something's weird. Let me see here. Save. Can we? I really want this to work. So there's something wrong. What is it? With the input data, there's something. Maybe. Hold on. Let me see. Is that the problem? Okay, it gives me the same thing here. Good. Okay. So, color PubNub PUB small. All right, let's try that. Is that? Nope, that's still a problem. Let me see. Let's try. We'll do Steven small again because we know that works. Okay. So that's loading. So why is it? So what's wrong here? Why is that not working? All right, you guys, this is the last thing we'll do. I mean, it's just weirdly shaped. Oh, is it? It should be fine. It should be transparent background causing issues. I think it might be the transparent background. I think you might be right. So I need to, let's see here. Copy, new, save as, with alpha, PubNub with PubNub alpha. Okay. All right, there we go. So let's do this again. CP desktop PubNub alpha to here. To PubNub PNG. There we go. And then let's resize it again. Okay, resize it PubNub to PubNub small. Perfect. Yes. Okay. All right, let's see. Didn't even draw the turtle. I know. I want to draw the turtle because it might be here. Let's see. We still want to draw the turtle. All right. Open turtle. All right, so here. Oh, we got another subscriber, you guys. Who is that? Eswo. Eswo, how's it going, Eswo? Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. We're going to try to draw. Let's see if we can draw the PubNub logo first. Let's see if we can do that. So here, let's see. Oh, nope, not that. Here. Nope, not that either. Let's see. PubNub small. Okay. Please. Oh, that's what it was. Okay, you guys, it's working. Here we go. All right, we're off to the races. It's having some struggle. It's struggling. It's absolutely struggling. Do you think it's going to work? Do you guys think it's going to work? Oh, it's kind of working. Look at that. Hey, look at that, you guys. It's working a little bit. It's working. It's trying to draw letters, you guys. All right, so that means that we know how to solve the turtle. We'll draw the turtle. It's almost there. Look at that, you guys. It's working. You can see it. It's working. Isn't that neat? I think that's so cool. It did a pretty good job. Right? You can almost read it. It does really good. I would guess it. Wait. Oh, interesting, isn't it? I thought it was interesting too. It's definitely interesting. That's good. It's good. You can see the letters. Whole guess probably just works fine because it's a small image. Yeah, it's a small image. It's working. We did it. Torva, your idea was brilliant. That was a really good idea. Let's see. We can here. I've got an idea. Let's see if we can make it better. Let's see if we can smooth that out a smidge. I think we can. All right. So let's see. Let's improve it a little bit here. I think we should bump this up here. Let's see if we can do that. Let's do 256. Okay. Let's see if we can make that work. And then I'll get the turtle going. So let me pop that over here. All right. Here we go, guys. We're learning again. Let's see if it made it better. Let's see if it can learn better this time. Can it learn better this time? Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so to get the turtle, we need to open up the turtle, and then we need to save it out. You know the tool. It's not directly made for vibe coding, but it made workflow 10 times better. Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Grok. They're all there. The tools are there, you guys. Okay, perfect. All right. It's looking real. The letter P, it's really good. It's done really good on letter P. It's a little struggling, a little blurry here in the middle, but it's doing pretty good. Isn't that great? I think if we increase the resolution on the image, the original image, it'll be a little bit better. Let's try that. Let's bump up the resolution just a smidgen. We'll bump up the resolution just a smidgen. Okay, so let's double this. Let's go to 300, and we'll go to 88. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay, so we doubled the resolution, you guys. We doubled the resolution. Let's see. Let's see if it can do better now. Let's see if it can do better. It's learning. It's trying. That might cause my computer to work really hard, and we might have some challenges there on getting the. It might take a lot of compute. It might. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good, you guys. It's looking great. Okay, so isn't it neat? I thought it was neat. It's really neat. I think it's so great. AI can use it to look production. Wait, AI can use it to look production code. Look up. What do you mean? You know the tool. Whoa, look at that. It's almost a perfect recreation. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that looks so good. That is so good, you guys. Wow, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it right now. It looks good. Isn't that nifty? Oh, wow, the AI can learn to write letters, you guys. It can learn. All right, we'll do the turtle next. We'll do the turtle, and we got to end stream. That'll be the last thing we do. That's the last thing we do, you guys. That is really good. I'm surprised. Do you mean Brock? Oh, of course, Brock. I didn't think about that. Hey, Torva, it's called Brock, you guys. The tool is called grep. Is it? Wait, grep? No, it's called Brock. B-R-O-K, you guys. B-R-O-K-K. It's called Brock. You guys got to remember it's called Brock. It's called Brock, you guys. Look it up. Look it up. B-R-O-K-K. Even the font style is pretty accurate, isn't it? I know, it looks so good. All right, let's open up the original and see what the original looks like. Okay, so here's the original. Let me hide these other ones here really quick. Let's get rid of those. Let's close that, close that. Here we go. So here's the original, and then here's the AI recreation. It does pretty good, isn't it? That's pretty good. Wow. That is, even the font looks good. It's like almost spot on. No grep app. Take a look, please. Grep is a tool for searching text in text. I bet you like it. Grep. I use grep all the time. I use grep all the time from the terminal window, you guys. From the terminal window. Love your energy, John Crafts. Thank you. Appreciate it, John Crafts. All right, so we got to do the turtle, and then we got to end stream. The turtle is the last thing we're gonna do. Let's do the turtle, you guys. Are you ready for the turtle? All right, so we got the turtle over here. All right, so I need to copy new, and then we save this with alpha. We call it turtle alpha. Perfect. Turtle alpha. Save. Okay. What is the information on this? This is a perfectly sized image. All right. So that's 360 by 360. We can do that. All right. So we got turtle with alpha. All right. So CP. Oh, oops. No, 1 second. We don't want that. Close that. There we go. There. CP desktop. Turtle alpha. Turtle alpha. To here. Perfect. Okay. Now, all right, turtle here. TUR, turtle alpha. Perfect. Is it going to work this time, you guys? Is it going to work this time? It's from Vercel. Oh, I know. All right, Vercel. Vercel's AI, Vercel SDK, the Vercel AI SDK. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Sorry if I'm right bad. It's late for you. So that's why it's turtle time. Okay, turtle time. Here we go. Turtle time. We're doing it. We're doing it. Here we go. It's loaded. Oh, it looks really good. Look at that. Hey, look at that, you guys. Hey, look at that. It's a turtle. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat? It's a turtle, you guys. Actually, what do you think it looks like? What do you think it looks like? Is it really that easy? It's pretty easy. I mean, somewhat. It's somewhat easy. Hey, check it out. Isn't that neat? I think that's pretty neat. I think that's pretty neat, you guys. We did it. We did it. All right, so we succeeded. We drew a picture, including the alpha channel, red, green, blue, alpha. We converted grayscale to full color. We reproduced the color. We trained an AI to draw pictures and letters. We did a really good stream today, you guys. We did it. Isn't it neat? All right, we drew the turtle, you guys. We did the thing you asked for, and it's still not even halfway done. It's still training. It's still learning. Isn't that neat? Okay, are you running this on local? Yep, we're running it on local computer. It's on a local system. My very, very humble little computer is able to do this all on its own. It's able to learn how to draw all on its own, you guys. Isn't that neat? Okay, So we did it, you guys. Thank you for joining stream today. We'll be back tomorrow. Eddie Legendary, thank you. Wow, you did it. Wow, Turtle. Wow, Turtle, you guys. We did it. Success. It's definitely success, you guys. We did it. Okay, AI can use it to look up how code is actually used in production. If it does not, it has training data. Like it hallucinating when trying to code. Yep, I mean, you got that problem. Love your... You got that problem. You know it. Hey, 2Borg, how's it going? We did it. We drew the turtle. We drew the turtle. Look at there. Isn't that neat? It looks really good. That is a very good turtle. Turtle.pinup. What? Wait. Turtle.forehead. There you go. We did it, you guys. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Turtle.forward50. Hey, you know it, Blue Raven. You know Blue Raven TV. You know it. You know it, Blue Raven TV. Michael. When do you go live? Usually in the midday between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Around that range. It really depends. Yeah, but the tool from Bracell solves it. It does. I believe you. I believe it does. I believe you're right. All right. We did it, you guys. Thank you for joining. Look at that beautiful turtle. It worked. It's called the grep app. Take a look at it, please. So the grep app, I use grep all the time in my terminal window. Cool. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. So the grep app, we'll do that. We'll take a look real quick. All right. Grep app. There we go. Grep app. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Hey, Moloch the Destroyer. Moloch the Destroyer, everyone. Hey, thank you for joining. Okay, I'll probably have to catch the end. Michael, sounds good. Moloch, thank you for subscribing. All right, what is the grep app? So here's our turtle. It did a good job. Grep.app, easily search code files. Ah, there we go. Search code fast. Effortlessly search code files paths across GitHub repositories. Nice. Okay, there you go. We did it. We looked it up. Look for OBS subtitles. Let's see if it gets it. Hey, it did. It found it. Hey, check it out right there. Look it right there. OBS subtitles. Hey, I wonder who that is. I wonder who that is, you guys. Grep app, you guys. It's called grep.app from Bracell. Bracell, it has an MCP server too. Nice. Very nice. That's great to see. That's great to hear. All right, you guys, we did it. We succeeded. We had the AI. It drew a turtle. It drew the turtle. It did it. It drew the turtle. All right, and we did all the things. All right, bye, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be doing more AI. I don't know what it is, but we'll be doing, okay, can you hack? Yes, we can. Steve 12. Yes, we can. You can. You can do it. It can happen. You got to always keep that hacking. Got to keep the hacking going. Good session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Kamala, thank you. Good to see you. All right, bye, everyone. Have a good day. See you guys. See you guys tomorrow. All right, I'm clicking the stop stream button. Later. Bye, guys. See ya. Bye-bye. It's been a pleasure. It's cool. Thank you, Torva. Excellent. See ya, Blue Raven. Bye, guys. See ya. All right, clicking the stop button. Train a GAN, I think. We could. Oh, Real Green Blob. GAN. All right, that might be the next one. Bye, Rochi. Bye, Rochi. Thank you. Real Green Blob tomorrow. We're going to see.